So hello everyone. Now we are going to solve our next question, which is remove duplicates from sorted array part 2. So this question states that given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove some duplicates in place such that each unique elements appear at most twice. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. So in this problem, we are given a integer array nums which is sorted and in non-decreasing order. We have to remove duplicates such that the remaining elements doesn't have more than two duplicates, and the relative order of the elements should be kept same. Since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you must instead have the result in place in the first part of the array nums. So it is almost similar to the previous two questions where we have to solve our question in such a way that our final array should come in the first part, which is equals to the k elements. Most formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of num should hold the final result. It doesn't matter what you leave beyond the first k elements. So we have to only consider the first k elements to be our output and the other part is doesn't matter to us. We have to return k after placing the final result in the first k slots of nums. Also, it is given that do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with big of one extra memory. So it is clearly saying that we do not need have to use a extra or another array. We only have to modify the input array which is already given. Now here is a custom just which is also almost similar to the previous ones where it has its own expected nums and it is going to check our output integer array one by one, and if all the elements are equal, so our code is going to be accepted. Now let's see the example first. In here you can see that our nums is 1 1 1 2 2 3. So here you will notice that we have to remove one time, so output is going to be 5 and the final nums is going to be 1 1 2 2 3, not more than that. So in the previous question you have noticed that we have used two pointers and we have allocated the first and second to the second, and basically what we have done is we have started our loop from second position. But here you can notice that here we are going to start our iteration from the third position. This is because this two position is never going to be changed, because if the elements are going to duplicate or different, it doesn't matter, it is going to be fixed. So let's start our coding part and understand it better. So we are going to take a pointer j equals to 2, which is always pointing to the position where we have to insert the element, and we are going to run a for loop and I equals to 2 to I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and in here we have to check a condition, and the condition is going to be if nums j minus 2, if nums j minus 2 is not equals to nums I, then what we have to do, we are going to insert that element at ith position at jth position. So we have to insert the element at jth position and increase it. Which element? Ith position element. And if they are equal, then we have to skip because it is going to be more duplicates than one. Now we have to return, and the return is going to be j because it is a total number of elements inserted till now. One condition you have to notice that we have in start fixed this two position, but what if there are elements in the nums less than 3, that is going to be 0 1 or 2. So we have to take that condition. So we'll take a if condition. If nums dot size is less than 3, then we simply return. What we return? Can you think? We can return nums dot size because no need to change, because it is already satisfying our conditions. So let's try to run this code. Okay, so it is accepted successfully. Now submit it. So all test cases passed. That's all. Thank you for this video.